Hey guys, what is up? So what I laugh because I never thought that I would be doing this, painting my grass. But you know, I feel like I am all about learning every aspect of lawn care and what people are doing and why they're doing it and what are the results. So the folks over at Covington Naturals sent me some of their grass paint. So what I'm gonna do is a test. It's off season, I don't have anything else to do, why not try it? So what I'm gonna do is mix 6 ounces of this in 1 gallon of water. The question is, do I do the whole yard or do I just do 1,000 square feet? I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I guess I just have to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna start with the areas that are really messed up. I have an area that I FERT burned. Yes, I'm gonna dig it up and get rid of the junk eventually, but I'm just curious what this paint is gonna look like on top of that FERT burn. This is gonna be crazy. Oh man, I never thought I'd be doing this. I'm a little bit OCD and I really wanna go wash this out like now. And I think I'm going to. Hold on, we'll pick up here in a second. Okay, I'm back. Nice and clean. No more paint. Okay, I'm gonna start with this area behind me. And I'm gonna walk backwards to try to minimize stepping in the paint. So here it goes, guys. I don't know how to feel about this. I did my best to avoid the sidewalk, which I think I did. I tried to avoid the Christmas decorations, which I got one, so I gotta go clean that up now. But I don't know if you can see that area right there. I'm gonna spray a little bit more over there, but I suspect a little bit of FERT burn right there as well. It'll be interesting to see what it looks like when it dries, but looking at the yard right now, I think I gotta spray the whole thing because it's kind of evident where the paint stops. But I mean, it looks good, you know, so let me get at it. Okay guys, the deed is done. I still don't really know how I feel about this, but take a look at it in the back. I had to do the whole yard because it was just standing out the area that I had done. There is a piece that I didn't do, so I'm gonna take you over there so you can see what that looks like. You're gonna see how uneven the spray looks here, and I'll admit that I used the wrong sprayer for this project. I should have used one with a better fan tip, and it would have been a more even spray. So I stopped right here. So over there is the grass paint and over here is not. It's been about 5 hours since I sprayed the lawn. It looks nice and painted, looks good. A couple spots that didn't really do that well. Those are the FERT burn spots. It's another one back over here. So a little bit came off, but not a lot. It's basically dry. Good deal. So hey, look guys, this is not something that I'm ever gonna do again. But again, I wanted to see what it was like, what it was gonna look like. I pride myself on having healthy green grass by putting in the work to get it there. But I understand that some people would need this option. So it was cool to be able to see it for myself. And yeah, you know, I'm so interested to hear what you guys have to say about this. Now, according to Covington, this paint will last up to 100 days, depending on weather conditions. That ends this experiment. All right, guys, I will check you later. Peace out.